Hi, welcome to Dip by Dip Maker and let's beet tzatziki. I love this recipe. It is easy, colorful, fun, and of course delicious. Ingredients will be listed in the description. I use 2 small beets, half a pound of labneh or 0.7 pound of Greek yogurt, tahini, which is toasted sesame paste, salt, pepper, dried oregano, and sumac. Sumac is often used in Middle Eastern cooking. Most bigger supermarkets carry it. If you don't have it at home, of course, you can just leave it out. In the ingredients, I mentioned either Greek yogurt or labneh. So what is the difference? They are pretty much the same. Labneh is double-strain yogurt, almost as thick and creamy like cream cheese. I prefer this recipe with creamier yogurt. If you don't have labneh available, just strain Greek yogurt. So while your beets are cooking it in salty water, you can make this magic happen. Straining yogurt is easy. You're going to need a clean linen cloth, salt, a colander, and a bowl to place under it. Scoop the yogurt in the linen-lined colander, add some salt, mix, cover, and put some weight on it. It is going to lose quite a lot of liquid. The longer you let it drip, the thicker your yogurt will get. You can either leave it in the fridge for overnight. Just after half an hour, there's a significant difference. You can see how much liquid it has lost. Meanwhile, the beets have been cooked, cooled, peeled, and grated. Add the garlic, the tahini, oregano, a little bit of black pepper. Don't add salt just yet, you might not need it. Add the sumac, it can give a tart, tangy, little bit sweet taste. You can easily substitute it with a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add the yogurt and with a spatula give it a good mix. I wish I had better lights right now, but the DC skies turned dark and gray. But this dip has such a beautiful dark pink color. You can serve it straight away, but a couple of hours or even an overnight rest in the fridge makes it even tastier. Before serving, taste for salt, add a bit extra if needed. I styled it up with some sesame seeds, olive oil, sumac, and crushed pistachios. Note to self, edit the voiceover in the evenings to avoid the construction noise outside. And the fun part is always finding the suitable companions. Any kind of bread is great with it. I ended up using some flatbread. You can add some pita bread, garlic bread as well. Grilled a few baby carrots with mint. Hummus is always a perfect match with it, and I felt like it was missing a little bit of green, so I added some olives to it. It is such a great appetizer or party or movie snack. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. There will be a lot more to come. Or you can share in a comment just exactly how dip is your love.